Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl. I'm back. Sorry for not doing as many of these type of videos where you can actually see my face. Holidays got kind of crazy with just being the holidays, and did have a couple of Disney trips, so of course that's why you've seen a lot of videos of stuff at Disney. But that being said, it's unboxing time. We got a box. It's time to open it up. Grab it right here. And it's one of my favorites. It is the Fab Fit Fun. This is their birthday box. And I want to go on record. Okay. Obviously, I've already seen what's in the box. I've mentioned it before in other videos. I do share what's in here with my mom. It works a little bit better, so stuff can kind of be divided. It feels a little bit more cost effective for us, basically. But so obviously I've already seen what's in it. So I already know what's in it. It's great. This is probably my favorite FabFitFun box I have gotten since we've been doing this. And that is now on record on this video. So like I said, this is their birthday box. So happy birthday, FabFitFun. Thank you for all the cool stuff that we have gotten. I do want to say, with all the craziness of the holidays and some trips that I've had, we did not get to pre-select anything. We missed out on the alert. I've mentioned before, for some reason, we don't get emails. I don't know if that's bad on our part. And I know normally, since one of my viewers have watched before when I mentioned we don't get to pre-select, and I wish we did, that you can go pre-select. We've tried to kind of periodically check. But with the craziness, we didn't get to. So everything in here was a total surprise. And I'm actually kind of glad it was. So without further ado, let's take a look. Alright. So I'm going to set it down over here. And like I said, we don't really get the big catalog anymore. Everything is QR code, which is fine. But first thing I saw is the Ahava, which, again, I think I've already said, I know I'm probably butchering stuff when I pronounce it, and I apologize. But regardless, I love this brand. I have the hand cream around here somewhere, and it's like my favorite hand cream. And I've had their lotion and stuff like that. So this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Shower Gel. It's still sealed. But it's like, I can smell it through this. And it smells so good. Like, if you like a beachy scent, I'm gonna put this. Alright. If you like a beachy scent, then this is definitely the company for you. Because I feel like everything they have gives me, like, beachy vibes, so. Oh, it smells so good. And it actually is like a gel. I don't want to dispense it because it's a shower gel. But they call it Sea Kissed. And so it actually says that it's the Ahava's exclusive natural Dead Sea mineral blend with hydrating and soothing aloe vera extracts and skin nourishing ingredients. This non-drying shower gel relieves the skin and leaves it fresh and supple. Like, I was so happy to see this. because I haven't tried their shower gel yet. I've done their lotion and their hand cream, so that was really fun. Next thing is Generation Skin Quick Fix and Chill 2-in-1 Mask and Scrub. I don't know if it was a FabFitFun box, but I know from a previous prescription box, I've gotten the under eye patches from Generation Skin, and they work so good. I really like them. So I'm excited to try the 2-in-1 Mask and Scrub. That being said, I'm usually a little skeptical of a 2-in-1 when it comes to the masks and scrubs. Just because sometimes I feel like they don't work as well, but I have confidence in this brand. Not that it needs a smell, but I know that smell and I don't. Let me see if the box tells us what this has in it. It has detoxifying kaolin clay and biodegradable jojoba beads, and they did peppermint oil. The addition of peppermint oil adds a zingy freshness, perfect for perking up your morning shower routine. Yeah, that's what I'm getting, is that peppermint oil, and it smells really good. So I actually am very excited to try this. So next we have True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. This has hyaluronic acid and konjac root, which I've never heard of konjac root. The color is called Vintage Rose. And this is actually one thing I like. I don't know if you can really tell. This is metal. Like, it's not a little plastic. But that's the color. Kind of almost.
Here's some information.
Like, sorry, my Apple Watch just went off on me. Kind of like almost a burnt rosy color. Like, that's the shade. I do have some lip gloss on right now, but it's actually a nice color. Like, it's not like overly red. It's like a happy medium. So you can definitely rock it on a night out or day at work. So, and it feels very creamy. So, very excited about that. The next items are the big items, which, like I said, super excited when I got this. Very excited because these are two brands that I love. A lipstick is always good, but the two brands, the big items that are left in this box are what made me super happy. So first things first. So in the box, I saw this. If you guys don't know, Sprinkles is a cupcake company. And I believe they started out in California, but they have a location at Disney Springs in Walt Disney World. Their cupcakes are so good. I love their cupcakes. They are always rotating flavors. If you have allergies, they do sometimes have like a gluten-free or even vegan options, which are great. I've had like a cherry cupcake. I've had tequila infused cupcakes. I know when I was there in January, I had a cupcake because me and my friend did stop there for a cupcake. I usually get a cupcake every time I go from Sprinkles. I am drawing a blank. I want to say it was a blueberry lemon cupcake. For some reason, that's what's sticking out of my head. And it was delicious. Like, if you like cupcakes, if you like sweets, and there's a Sprinkles cupcakes near you, give them a shot. And one thing they're really known for is there's a cupcake ATM machine. I know Disney Springs has one and some other locations have one. When the Sprinkles at Disney Springs first opened, the line was longer for the ATM machine for the cupcakes than just going in the store and getting a cupcake. So I went in the store and got a cupcake because the ATM machine's cool and all, but I just want the cupcake. So I was like, so when I saw this, I was like, there's no way they're sending us a cupcake. Like, what is this? It's a tumbler. And again, if you don't know about Sprinkles cupcakes, they usually have like these little polka dots on the top of all their cupcakes, which I think part of it is like helps their employees know, like, okay, this cupcake is this kind, this cupcake is that kind. But like the little polka dots are like signature for Sprinkles. As you can hear, it is a metal tumbler. It is double walled. It's just super cute. And it gives me Disney Springs vibes because that's where I get my Sprinkles cupcake. So was really happy about this. But that's not all. Next, I guess, is a two-parter because obviously you can tell by the boxes these kind of go together. This is Jonathan Adler, I guess, Bibba collection. So these are a set of two glasses, and let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So I'm not going to take both glasses out because they're the same glasses, but, and I don't know if you can really tell, it's like a light blue or like a light seafoamy green color, but it is a nice sturdy glass. I mean, I would call this a highball glass, but I don't know if it's officially a highball glass because you've got the lip here. But just a really nice drinking glass. Like, I will definitely save that for like some good cocktails. So super happy about that. This I was really, really happy about. So again, still Jonathan Adler. This is a bedside carafe set. And I know you're like, why are you so excited about a bedside carafe set? I feel like everybody, it's maybe not every night, but there are some nights you wake up and you're thirsty. You don't want to get out of bed and go to the kitchen or go to the bathroom and get water. So these carafe sets, obviously fill up water, you got your glass, but this is also the lid. I don't know why, but I've always wanted one of these by my bed. Because there are some nights that I wake up and I want water and I don't feel like getting up. And usually I've got whatever random cup I was drinking out of the night before on my nightstand, and then I've got to remember to like take it back to the kitchen and like I'm sounding like I know I sound like I'm whining about nothing. But that's basically been my system. This just I feel is classier. It's gonna look nicer on the nightstand. It is glass. It's not like as heavy of a glass as the set of two glasses, but that's okay. Like I also don't know if you can tell, but this is like a nice blue. So this is happily going on my nightstand, because I've always wanted one, and like I said, I can't really explain it, but I have. So yeah, so that is the FabFitFun box. Like I said, this is their birthday box. So I guess this is considered the spring box. And everything in here is something that I want. Whereas like other boxes, and I feel like this is with subscription boxes in general, every box, there's always at least one thing I can take or leave. Or I'm not so sure about that. Or just like for some reason isn't my vibe. There's usually at least one thing that me and my mom are not fighting over. One of us wants it or neither of us want it. So everything in this box we are using. Luckily we are living in the same house right now, so we're going to share the Jonathan Adler glasses. We're fighting over who gets to use this the most. The bedside carafe is mine just because I've wanted one for so long. But like everything is going to use, which is one of the reasons why I like this. But this is just honestly like my favorite box so far. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Whenever I get other subscription boxes, I will unbox them and show them to you guys and post them here. So definitely want to subscribe so you can see all that. And of course, always there will be more Disney videos and more travel videos whenever I go to places besides Disney. Obviously, I call myself the Carolina Disney girl because I love Disney and I go to Disney a lot, but obviously there's other aspects of my life. So, that being said, thank you guys. I will see you guys next time. Have a great night. Have a magical night. Akuna.